Hi, can I get your name?
Yeah, my name's Nancy.
Nancy, where are we?
In Minto.
And who do we have here?
We got Billy here and Chucky.
Okay, and so tell me about Billy.
Billy's a recently rescued dog. We just got her on Sunday. She was jumped around a couple of houses, so she's not really, she doesn't really have an actual home. So we decided to take her on and give her a new home.
And what about Chucky? What was going on with him as far as the new intruder?
He's not happy, obviously. Like he's trying to insert his dominance and growl at Billy. And
So how often were we having constant problems?
yeah, constantly. Like the whole 6 days that she's been here with us, they're never in the same room really.
Oh, so what you're saying here is this is new?
Yeah, this is new. Like by now they would have already in attack mode or growling at each other at least, but now they just look like they've been together forever.
Awesome. So in regards to the information that you've gathered today, how would you rate the quality of the information?
10 out of 10. Yeah, 100%. Like we would have done this without obviously your help and all that. So yeah, grateful for the help.
And your confidence moving forward?
Yeah. With all the training and the structure that we've given, yeah, I'm confident that none of those bad behavior will come back.
Awesome. Recommended?
100%.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.